The easiest 3-step email system that you can tap into today is using the HBA email marketing system. Now, I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. In 3 simple steps, you can have this set up and going in no time at all. I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm going to show you how to get free traffic. I'm going to show you how to grab your affiliate link to get that free traffic. And I'm going to show you a couple of paid methods. So it's only going to be 3 steps. You're going to sign up. You're going to grab your affiliate link. You're going to tap into traffic sources that I'm going to share with you in this video. So let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, so the first step in this process is you just need to get started with the Home Business Academy, okay? What we have right now, or what we have created, or what Mike and Paul has created, is called the Turnkey Residual Income System. I like to call it the Triple Residual Income System because you can earn 80% commissions on 3 income levels inside of here. One is the Let's Go app, where you can earn, it's $10 a month. You earn $8 per month residual income. The other one is the Funnel Builder. It's $25 per month. You earn $20 per month residual income. And the third one is the HBA Premium, which is traffic and training. It's $125 per month. You earn $100 per month. $100 per month in residual income with it. That's $128 per month in residual income. And if you want to go all in, you can get the FLA Financial Literacy Academy, which is a one-time $600. Then you're able to earn on all of the products. But right now we're just going to focus on the triple residual income system. But I highly recommend that you upgrade to the highest in there, so you'll have all of the products you can earn on everything. So the first step is to get started with the Turnkey Residual Income System. You do that by clicking the link that's in the description below. You're going to come to this page right here. You're going to get this exact same page, so remember that. You're going to come to this page, fill in your name and your best email. That's it. You were still on step number 1. That's what you're going to do. In step number 1, you're going to come to this page right here. I highly recommend that you watch this video from Paul. You're going to come down through here, read all of this information if you want to, but the best thing to do is just come down through here. Watch these videos. Wherever you see blue, you can watch the videos. You can see we're over $7 million. You can read this right here to see what you earn on each product. You can see the commissions you can earn. If you decide to tap into this system and get started with us today, you have nothing to lose because we offer you a 3-day money back guarantee. So you come down here, you can see what you're going to get with the Let's Go app. You see what you're going to get with the Funnel Builder, and you see what you're going to get with HBA Premium. And you come on down till you see my beautiful face and my wife's beautiful face. You come down here and you get started for $35 today. That's step number 1, is getting started. You can't earn if you don't get started with the system, okay? So go ahead and click the link in the description to get started right now. The next thing you're going to do is, once you get started and you log into your account, you're going to come over here to affiliate, the affiliate tab. Okay, this is the second step in the process, and what I want you to do is actually watch this entire video. Block out some time in your day whenever you get started. Make sure you have some time to watch this entire video, because this video is called the Affiliate Fast Start Training. What it's going to do is to show you how to get your first traffic strategy for free, and you're going to be using Facebook. And if you don't use Facebook, don't worry about it. I have some traffic strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video as well in the third step. But you need to watch this video. It's a must that you watch this video, because one, when you come to this page, there's going to be an agreement that you have to agree to as an affiliate to start using the FTC disclaimer, in the video, especially if you are showing income proof in your videos or posting on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. So they want you to agree to the affiliate terms, want you doing things in an ethical way that's not going to get you in trouble or the company in trouble with the FTC. So make sure step number 2 is important. Watch this video to the end, because in this video, it's going to take you to a tool when you click on scripts and other marketing resources. you're going to get the download inviter. This is a piece of software that you're going to put on your browser, your Google browser, okay, a Chrome browser, that's going to get set up, and it's going to automatically invite friends for you, okay, invite your friends to take a look at the turnkey system. You have the option, okay, I'm going to show you this tool here, but you want to make sure you download the inviter, okay, and you can only use this for one device, okay, so make sure you put it on the device that you're going to use all of the time. We also have some email follow-up scripts, some social media posts that you can post on your social media right now. And we have some email introduction scripts as well for you. So download the inviter. The instructions are in this video. It's vital that you watch this video. You have to watch it in order to know how to set things up. Once you watch it and you get the download inviter, you're going to see a tool that looks like this. In here, you're going to have 5 variations, okay, of a message that is going to send out to people who you are already friends with. Now, you have the option, okay, in here. If we scroll on down, let's hide the messages. You have the option in here to actually deselect people, like my daughter here, okay. I saw her in, your family and friends. You can deselect them so it won't send that message out to them, okay. You can select all, deselect all, import, export, excluded, import, excluded. You can do that in here as well. So you're going to have a list of all of your friends here. Depending on how many you have, you're going to see that number here, and it's going to tell you how many days it's going to take to complete it. In the excluded, you come down through here. People who are already in HBA or the message has been sent to, you will not see those people, okay. It's going to show over here they have been sent an invite or they're already in HBA. So you're not sending the same people the invite that someone else has already sent them, or even that you had sent them before, okay. So you can refresh this list right here. So this is the first tool. You're going to click start inviting, and what it's going to do is going to go through your friend list, and it's going to start sending out invites on your behalf with the 5 variations of messages up here. You're going to get some people that are willing to take a look. You're going to get some people that are going to say no, and you may get some people that may even be a little mean. But hey, get thick skin in this business is something that you have to develop, okay. You have to develop thick skin in this business. So you're going to send it out. This is going to work in the background. It's going to send out 10 per day on your behalf, okay. In order to stay compliant and keep it in good graces with Facebook, we send 10 per day. Do not be on Facebook sending messages while this is doing it in the background. All of that is explained in the video for you. So that is that tool right there, okay. So that's actually step number 3, is using this tool to start getting traffic. Step number 1 is to get signed up. Step number 2 is to watch this video. Step number 3 is follow the process in the video to start getting free organic traffic to your affiliate link, okay. So it's going to tell you in this video how to do everything. Now, some other traffic sources that you can use is, 1, I'm going to use 2 paid traffic sources in here. So what you want to do in order to know where your traffic is coming from, where your sales are coming from, where your leads are coming from, you're going to have your you don't have to have a domain name. You can use the backup link, which is right here. You can copy it. So this is the one you want to use, but you're going to use this link right here, but we're going to have tracking. So one of the trackings that I'm going to be using is my lead gen secret. Now, a lot of people don't like this traffic. To be honest with you, I just re-signed back up for it because I wanted to test it again to see how it's going to work with this new turnkey system. So in order to do tracking, we're going to do, I'm going to put my lead gen S. I'm going to put a dash, and then I'm going to put 03. The date is the 4th. Then I'm going to put 26, and then I'm going to actually copy this link right here, okay. So well, let's leave it open right now. Just leave that page open. Come over to My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, you can read this page. What they do is they give you 100 leads per day. Then if you get a referral, then you'll get 200 leads per day, and this stacks up daily. So you can sign up right here by simply clicking this button, entering your email address, and then you get signed up. A link for this will be in the description below. You're going to log into your account. Okay, once you log into your account, you're going to see this screen right here. So you can go across here, you can see your leads, email swipe. If you purchase the email swipe, you'll see them here. You don't necessarily need those, but if you want it, you can. The mailing system, statistics, affiliates, recommended advertising in your account. You can click on the mailing system or create a message. I'm just going to click on create a message, and then you can watch the training video here. Select all of the leads. Okay, all of the leads are over there. So that's telling me I'm going to email out to over 35,000 leads today. Okay, so what I've done is I actually have an email that I have composed that I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to grab the title of that email, and you can just follow along. I'm going to put the subject here. Then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to copy the body of the email. I'm going to copy here. I'm going to come and Control V. I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to do a Control A, and then I'm going to increase the font size to 18 where they can read it. Okay, so then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to actually put hey, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab the first name. I'm going to copy it. Going to paste that there. Increase the size. Going to do 18 there. Then I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and this is where you're going to insert your link. But before we do that, I'm going to come down here and say, I'm just going to put thanks. Then I'm going to put my name down here, okay? Because what's going to happen is it's going to be sending off on your behalf with your name here from My Lead Gen Secret, okay? So you have that there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to grab our affiliate link. We're going to come back over here, and we're going to grab this. Remember, we put the date. The day is the third. I mean, the day. No, it's not the third. This is the 4th. Okay. So 4/26. That's what it is. We're going to copy this. We're going to come back over to the mailing system, and then we're going to just this right here. We're going to delete that out. I'm going to put that right there, and then I'm going to highlight it. Then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to find the link. I'm going to paste that in there. Boom, and I'm going to click OK. And now that it's done, I'm going to click perfect timing. Okay. Look at the email. It's pretty good. I'm going to bold this right here. Okay. And you can bold some things. Okay. And then what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to come down and I'm going to click on preview. I'm going to preview the email, and then I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to click send. That is done. That is going out. When you get started, you're only going to have 100. That is going out to 100 leads for you. For me, it's going out to over 35,000 leads today. Okay. So I'll be able to do it again tomorrow in 24 hours. So every day I'm going to come in here and send out leads. The reason why I'm sending them the actual opt-in page is because I want them to opt in. Okay. You can send them this page, but I want them to opt in and get on the email list inside of the Home Business Academy. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come back over here and we're going to change this down here to painless traffic. Okay, we're going to put that right there. We're going to come over to painless traffic, and here's where you can order solo ads. Okay, I know a lot of people got things to say about solo ad, but hey, you know, that's them. You can do organic, you can do solo. it's up to you. So what we're going to do here is we're going to grab this link right here. Going to copy it. Going to come back to painless traffic. We're going to put in the target URL there. That way we know where this traffic is coming from. Pick your type of traffic. Okay, the ones that I recommend is the top rated tier 1 traffic, buyer focused, niche related, 59 cents per click. The Bing Google ad traffic, crazy conversion, 100 click minimum, 85 cents, or the lead hero premium traffic. So you can try either one of them. So if I put in this one here, the number of clicks that you want to get, you can raise that number up. Okay, it's totally up to you, or you can just come here and say 200, however many you want. The number is going to change down here at the bottom where you see your total is $118. So, but if you want to just start off with 100, you can just put 100 clicks there. Any special notes or instruction that you want them to do, if you have a specific email, you can put your email there. I'll just simply leave it as is. You're going to come down here, your total is going to be $59. Click and agree, and then you're going to actually purchase. So you can come back up here, and if you want to get the Bing and Google traffic, then you're going to see us 100 clicks. That's going to be $85. Okay, you can once again pay with your card, or the next one would be lead hero. Okay, so at $59. And the reason I said those, because I spoke with the owner, okay, and he actually recommended that we use these 3 traffic sources with the turnkey residual income system. Okay, so that's step number 3. Now, what you need to do after you have done that, you have placed your order, is nothing, simply because HBA does the emailing for you. Okay, that's why this is what I like to call the 3-step HBA email marketing system. It is done for you. So if you come over here to the HBA mailer, okay, it's going to be done for you. The emails are done for you. Everything is done for you. So if you come over here, this is where you're going to see all of your contacts at. Inside of here, you're going to see all of them right here. The autoresponders are already set up for you. The Fast Start Inviter, remember the tool that I showed you up here? It's the Fast Start Inviter. The people that you have there are going to be added here. Okay, you can come and add here. That training video I showed you, remember that video is going to walk you through that. The turnkey completed, you're going to have this in here as well. These are lists that are set up by the system themselves. The email, 7 days worth of email goes out on your behalf. Your only sole responsibility is to do step number 3, get the traffic once you get the system set up. Okay, it's just that simple. Then you have forms here that you can set. We're not going to get into that, but that is it for this video. Pretty much, remember, your only 3 steps is to go to the descriptions, put in your information, get signed up, come down till you see my picture, get signed up here, come inside of here, go to the affiliate tab, watch this video, step number 2. Go to step number 3, follow it, download the inviter. Once you get the inviter downloaded, you click on it over here to fire that bad boy up, and then you come over here. That's step number 3. Fire it up. You're starting to get traffic, which is step number 3. Then the rest of step number 3 is to get my lead gen secret and painless traffic and start sending traffic. Don't worry about it, because in the HBA emailer, okay, they are going to weed out all of the bots, bad traffic, bad emails for you, so you don't have to worry about it. You'll have a good, clean list of email. Your only responsibility is continue to send traffic. So go ahead on, look in the description, click the link, get started, get signed up. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. I will see you inside of the turnkey residual income system. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.